Good evening. So today I'm going to discuss about the problem solving, programming for problem solving. In that, introductions to problem solving techniques, that is computer hardware and computer software. So here we having a computer hardware. So computer hardware is nothing but it is a consist of physical devices associated with the computer systems. So electronic systems. So the physical device which is associated with the electronic system is some hardware, computer hardware. So here common hardwares are there: input device, system unit, output device, storage device, processing unit, and CPU and main memory. So these images are the input, or the keyboard and mouse are the inputs, and floppy disk and CD are the storage, and the processing is the say motherboard, and RAM, ROM. These are the processing, and the output is the that is a printer and scanner, and also whatever the monitor. These are the we having the output. So we have the input, output, and storage and processing. So these four kinds only we have to segregate. So next one is central processing unit. That is central processing unit. Here the central processing unit is nothing but it is an brain of the computers. So the brain is nothing but the calculative part, and the most mathematical part will be considered, and it will be processing it. The CPU performs all types of data processing operations. So all types of data. So for example, if we have if you need any arithmetic or any operations, that will be easily calculate and give the proper output. It stores the data and intermediate results and instructions. So it controls the operations of all the part of the computers. It controls operations of all the part of the computers. So the components of CPU. So the CPU, the right hand side, I have mentioned in the I have mentioned in the this one. So the component of CPU, the memory, storage or storage unit, control unit, and arithmetic and logical unit. So arithmetical sections and logical sections. So in this diagram, the CPU holds this, the control processing holds that control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. So the first one is input unit. Whatever the input we are giving, so that it will be moved to the control unit and arithmetic and logical unit. It will be processed, and it will be stored in the memory unit, and if it is memory unit will be stored. After that, it will be produce the proper output. So that is the central processing unit operations. So input devices. So these are the input devices, the physical part of the computer systems which allows the data to be entered into the computer systems. So keyboard, graphics tablet, touch sensitive screen, mouse, microphone, digital camera, digital video camera, webcam, trackballs, trackpad, and joystick, and scanner. So these are the some of the input devices which we are using in the computer systems. Next one is output devices. So the output devices is nothing but it is a device which allows the data to be displayed or passed out of the computer systems. So for example, printer. So if we need to take any name list or any nominal roll list or any circular, anything, we need to take the hard copy. Means we have to give the input to the system. So after that we will save the file, and after that, if we go to control and print, if it is printer connected, if the laser or inkjet printer is connected, it will be the proper output will be scanned and printed. So that is the printers. So monitors, liquid crystal display, thin film transistor, and cathode ray tube. So these are some of the monitors which can be used in the computer systems. So the plotter, loudspeaker, and projectors. So projector also we having if we need to see a movie or any PPT presentations to whole a number of members or ECT watching. So that projector is useful for to display in the output screen. So next one is types of computer memory. So these are the computer memory is nothing but classified into two types. One is internal and another one is external. So the internals we having a cache memory and virtual memory. and RAM and ROM and sequential access. So RAM is nothing but random access memory. It is stored in the prime. It is otherwise called as primary memory or main memory. So in this RAM, we having a SRAM and DRAM. So that is RAM is nothing but we having a storing the memory. Next one is cache memory. The small sequence, a small memory allocated for the cache memory. Next one is virtual, and another one is ROM. So ROM consists of MROM, PROM, and EROM and EEROM. So sequential access is also the main source of internal memory. So the external memory is we have additionally we are fixing in the external that is CPU. So that is a solid state and optical device and magnetic. So optical is nothing but CD, DVD drive, etc. And magnetic is nothing but hard disk drive, C drive, D drive, and E drive. So solid state device is nothing but a solid state drive, USB drive, memory, and stick, etc. So the computer software is set of programs which is designed to perform design a well-defined functions. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve any particular problems. So that the two types of softwares, one is system software and application software. So it is a collection of computer programs and related data that provides the instructions for telling the computer what to do and how to do it. Any set of instructions that guides the hardware and tells it how to accomplish each task. So we having an application system software is nothing but Apple, Android, and iOS, and Windows Windows XP or Windows 2000, like that. So application software is nothing but Gmail, then Microsoft browser editions, then browser windows and VLC players. These are the application softwares. So yeah, here software. Here software is a set of programs that governs the functions of computers. They classified into system software and application software. In system software, it controls the internal operations, and application software it carried out the necessary operations for specified applications to the functions. So system software can be classified into system management program and developing software. So system management program is we need to run the operating systems. We have to educate the operating systems, device drivers, and system utilities. So developing software is nothing but a programming language translators, linker, and loader. So same way the application software it carries a general purpose software and special purpose software. So general purpose software can be classified into word processor, presentations, spreadsheet, and image editors. In the special purpose software, reservation system, attendance systems, billing systems, report card generator, etc. So these are the comes under softwares. So that's all about the computer hardware and software. That is computer components. Here next class we will discuss about briefly about the CPU. In that CPU, what are the processors and the main motherboard. In that motherboard, we what process and all we can done. That and all we will discuss in the next class. That's all. Yay! What is this?